So I'm testing the Neopixel buttoncycler code, and as I instructed, I've moved the start show outside of this main button check loop. So now let's watch what the behavior is. I've got it wired up here, powered on at 3.7. I'm just going to hit the start button. And the routines look fine at first. So we do the flush. The fill colors work fine. And now when we start doing the animations, they run for a brief while and then they just freeze. So they'll stop like this. And this pattern is consistent with all of the animation effects. So whether it's the red or the blue, same basic pattern, we freeze at those two LEDs there. And while these animations take longer to cycle, we have the same effect. They'll go through the basic color change and then they'll freeze at the end of the animation. So this one stops when it's red and it never changes again. And this beautiful rainbow color cycle one, absolutely adore this one. This will go for maybe all of 20 or 30 seconds, and then it'll freeze as the proximal LED number 1 hits the red. So right about, well, one more time I think. Right about now, my funk soul brother. Yeah, it's going to prove me a liar? No, there we go. All right, so that one's frozen up too. And then the last one, of course, this kind of a theater marquee cycle, also runs for about 20 to 30 seconds. But ultimately, it will also just freeze. So again, I'm using the buttoncycler code. I've made the one modification as per Adafruit support Bill's request, and it hasn't changed anything. So I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong. I mean, clearly the wiring seems to work. The Neopixels work great. It's just there's something I'm not understanding about the code as to why the animations simply stop. And I'm just going to let this one go. There we go.